Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing my first impressions review and wear test on this foundation, which is the Maybelline Dream Urban cover. So if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and please don't forget to click the notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So if you guys wanted to find out, I can recommend this foundation to you. Please keep on watching. First impression review. So we're doing a first impression review and wear out test on this Maybelline foundation, which is the Dream Urban cover. Okay, so I'm just looking at the Priceline website. So this is actually come in 30 mils. At the product information from the Priceline website. So get ready to flawlessly face the city. Experience the first full coverage protective makeup specifically formulated to protect imperfect city skin. This lightweight foundation has a broad spectrum SPF 40 and is enriched with antioxidants to protect against pollution. It not only leaves a natural looking finish but protects the skin day after day. And it's available in 10 shades here in Priceline website. Retail for $25.95 Australian dollars. Retail for $12.99 US dollars. It has 16 shades available from the Maybelline.com website. Stated in here, I can actually apply this using a sponge or a makeup brush. Primer, I'll be using the Stila One Step Primer. Tube, guys. So we're just gonna see, so I can tell it's actually liquidy, guys. See how liquidy it is, guys. So it's gonna be so it's definitely a lightweight. One side of my face I'll be using the Morphe M6, and then on the other side of my face I'll be using the e.l.f. sponge. Buildable, so it's a very lightweight foundation. But I would say it's not a full coverage, because if it's a full coverage, it's actually going to cover this bad boy here. Because I know the Maybelline Superstays actually cover my pimples. Just see if there's any difference. Okay, I actually like the coverage more using the sponge. It's because it's a very lightweight foundation. Apply a lot better than using the brush, and I don't actually need a lot of product. Not like when I've applied this side here using the brush. I tend to I actually ending up using more foundation. With this side here I only use like one squeeze, but on this side here with the brush I ending up using 2 squeeze. The e.l.f. 16 hour Camo concealer, and in the shade light beige. So I'm just going to be applying this under my eyes. Kat Von D loose powder, setting powder under my eyes and also on my T-zone area. My face, I'll be setting it using the Australis Fresh and Flawless and in the shade darkest brown. In the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit in the light to medium, and I'm gonna be using the shade here in the middle. And Wild. So it's the Wet and Wild. So it's a Wet and Wild highlighter. This is actually the second time I'll be using this. So I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio in the pink Passion. I'm just be combining all the shades. Using the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day. So let's just do a quick recap. So with this Maybelline Dream Urban cover, it is a very lightweight foundation, buildable foundation, and it also did cover, you know, my imperfection on my face, except for my pimples here. It actually didn't really give me that enough coverage. But while with the Maybelline Super Stay, it actually did help me cover those pimples. But the good thing I like about this Dream Urban cover foundation, it actually giving me a very light coverage, so it's not a very heavy feeling. It also giving me a while I'm actually applying the foundation, it's actually giving me that like a moisturizing feeling when I applied it on my foundation. And you know, like some foundations actually leaving a super matte finish, where it's actually leaving your face drying. Good thing I like about this also, it's got the SPF 40. In the US it's got a SPF 50. Actually best to use this with a sponge, or more easily and flawlessly using the sponge. So that's just pretty much my personal opinion, guys. I'm gonna be doing a word test today, guys, and 50 guys. So we're gonna be doing a word test where I'm gonna be out whole day today, and I'm gonna see if how this foundation's gonna go with my skin. And you know, I actually did set everything up the way I set my makeup. So I'll see you guys very soon. Guys, welcome back to my channel. I do apologize, guys, I actually had a very busy day today. I wasn't able to check in. It is now 8:01. So I've actually it's actually been an 8-hour. So it's been an 8-hour way now, guys. Today actually been really nice. It's not too cold, not too hot. It was just a perfect day today. But then it started raining tonight, so which is good. At least you know, we're gonna have a good night's sleep tonight. Getting oil buildup on this side here in between my brows, and also around this area here, which is just pretty normal of me getting all this oil buildup here. And Probably gonna start building up. Okay, I can see between my nose, it started building up a little bit of foundation there, guys. And in here, I can see that the foundations just started to emphasize my lines just on this side of my nose, and just a little bit on my chin. And my foundation actually sits really well, guys. I think it's just got a little bit of transfer, I think, because on this side I tend to touch this more on this side than this side here. So I know just a little bit of that foundation has come off on this side, guys. Yeah, and not much on this side. The Sports Girl blotting paper, it just to see, that's all the oil. See if I can apply some setting powder. Some setting powder. See if it's going to seal it. My T-zone area, and then I decided to tap it up with the setting powder. And yeah, this is the setting powder that I used earlier, which is the Urban Decay translucent powder. So looking is, I've actually felt mattifying again. So yeah, so you know, it's just over 8-hour wear, guys. So looking for a drugstore foundation and you love Maybelline and you haven't tried this foundation here, guys, I highly recommend it for you guys to try it. I have noticed with Maybelline foundations, they've actually been creating all these really nice and long-lasting foundations, and I'm really happy with Maybelline, because Maybelline products are actually one of my most used drugstore products, which is Maybelline. I want more coverage, like more coverage than this foundation here. I also highly recommend it for you guys to try this other foundation, which is the Maybelline Superstay. So this is actually a very pigmented formula. So you know, little amount goes along the way. Enjoy today's video. Please comment down below if you used this foundation before, and please let me know what video you want to watch next. And thank you so much for everyone who subscribed to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys on my next video. Love you guys.